In this video, I will show you how to get Roblox on any TV, no matter what brand or model you are using. Uh, but this method works on Android TV, Google TV, Samsung, LG, and pretty much any smart TV out there. By the end of this video, you will be able to access Roblox directly on your TV. Let's get started. First thing first, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. This step is important because we will be using a web browser on your TV. Now go to the app section on your TV and look for the web browser. Every smart TV comes with a built-in browser. If you don't see one, you can download any browser directly from your TV app store. Once you find it, go ahead and open the browser, and after the browser loads, move your cursor to the top search bar, type Roblox, press enter. This will bring up search results from the Google, and from the search result, click on the official Roblox website, which is roblox.com. Once the site opens, you will be able to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, just enter your login details, and if you are creating a new account, enter the date of birth, username, password, and click on sign up. Now just like that, you can now access Roblox directly on your TV. You can complete your setup later by adding an email, but from here you are free to browse games, log in anytime, start playing Roblox on your TV, and that's it. That's how you get Roblox on any smart TV using just a browser. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.